guys, so today I'm gonna go to MOA to get our passport, and then I'm gonna go directly to Daddy because we're celebrating his birthday today on a Saturday. So samahan niyo ulit ako. Bye! Okay, so right now, papunta po tayo ng MOA, and kukuha lang tayo ng passport today, and then we're gonna buy a cake and then proceed to Daddy's resting place. So yun lang naman tayo today. Medyo masama pa actually yung pakiramdam ko talaga, but you know, it's for Daddy and hindi naman siya araw-araw. Wala naman masyadong ganap. Masakit lang. Actually, kahapon pa. Ilang araw ko nang nararamdaman yung throat ko. Pero kahapon yung medyo kahapon yung malala. Cause, ang sakit na rin ng katawan ko. Wala tayong sipon, but we have sore throat and phlegm. So, yun. And today, sama-sama tayong malaman kung ano ang magiging result ng ating visa application for Japan. Kasi they did not disclose. Bawal daw sila... Ano ba yun? Bawal daw sila mag-disclose ng result over the phone. So I have to pick it up. Last Thursday pa. Today is Saturday. And then last Thursday, ready na daw for pick up ang ating passport. So technically, 1 week lang yung processing time, including the weekends. Kasi Wednesday ako nag-apply, and then Thursday, the following week, meron na tayong result. So that's it. We're gonna get it now. Hi guys! So, we're already at the mall and it's only 9:55. So, mag-aantay muna tayo ng 5 minutes para bumaba ng kotse and pumunta sa ating travel agency to get our passport. And then, yeah, I'm not sure if dito ako bibili ng cake para dire-diretso na later or along Bayani Road na. So, pag-iisipan ko pa siya.
One eternity later.
So, nakuha ko na ang ating passport, and as always, I never doubted it na maa-approve tayo for the visa, single entry visa. Hindi ko na na-videohan yung reaction ko kasi si ate, ibinalandra na lang kasi may in-explain pa siya regarding na single entry visa lang tayo, hanggang November ganyan lang yung approval, or hanggang November lang yung period na dapat magamit ko na yung single entry visa. May mga ganun pa siyang i-explain. So parang okay, wala nang surprise, wala nang suspense bago natin makuha yung passport. But yeah, I'm so happy na approved siya and ready na tayo mag-Japan. Pwede na ako gumawa ng masinsinang itinerary, and I also went to... hindi makita. So pumunta na rin ako ng Goldilocks to get Daddy's cake. Kasi andito na tayo, so pinush ko na lang din. So let's go to Daddy na! Ready na! Wow! Sige, diretso lang. Ikot ka, ikot! Opo! So this little boy is learning how to turn without putting down his feet. Ayan, good job. I got it on camera! Up, up. Two hours lang kami dito sa cementerio and I am so pawis na pawis. Saglit lang kami dito kay Daddy because medyo maalinsangan. Though nakapag-bike naman yung bebe. And dito kami kumain. Masama lang yung pakiramdam ni Tita Dax. So, we had to pack up early. Pero ako kasi, I suggest na parang pahapon kami pumunta. But, you know, things happen for a reason. So, there. Is this how it feels like to have a convoy? Birthday Lolo, happy birthday Lolo, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday Lolo.
Really, happy birthday.
Si Ben magpa-blow ng candle.